Welcome to Best Choice. The best Margaritaville pitcher is probably one of the most essential accessories for any frozen drink enthusiast, ensuring your blenders continue to churn out those perfect icy concoctions without interruption. And today we're diving deep into what makes a replacement pitcher stand out in a sea of options, helping you find the one that best fits your Margaritaville machine and your party needs. Number 5. Margaritaville Key West Frozen Concoction Maker. Introducing the Margaritaville Key West Frozen Concoction Maker. It's designed to make your entertaining a breeze, creating delicious frozen drinks with ease. Thanks to its extra-large ice reservoir, you can make up to 2.5 pitchers of your favorite frozen concoctions. Perfect for parties and gatherings. Unlike a blender, this machine creates premium shaved ice for an authentic frozen concoction experience. Enjoy the perfect texture every time. With 4 pre-programmed drink settings, plus manual options, you can easily craft your perfect beverage. It even has an automatic shave and blend cycle. The innovative Easy Pour jar lets you mix your drink and then simply pop open the hatch to pour. Serving your guests has never been easier. Cleanup is a breeze as all parts are dishwasher safe. This powerful machine is designed for your convenience and enjoyment. What we like. This pitcher maker boasts an extra-large ice reservoir, perfect for entertaining large groups. It creates premium shaved ice for an authentic frozen drink experience. If you love hosting parties and want to impress your guests with perfectly crafted frozen cocktails, this is the one for you. What people say. The pitcher is a perfect fit for the Margaritaville machine. It is a direct replacement and works just like the original. The pitcher is made of durable plastic and holds a good amount of liquid. Number 4. Margaritaville Bahamas Frozen Concoction Maker. Capture the essence of island living with this versatile frozen beverage maker. It's designed to bring a touch of paradise right into your home. Achieve perfect consistency every time with its no-brainer mixer. The clear markings ensure precise measurements for your favorite drinks. Enjoy effortless operation with automatic and manual controls. You can shave and blend only, or shave only for customized creations. The automatic shave and blend cycle expertly mixes the ideal amounts of ice and ingredients. It takes the guesswork out of making delicious frozen drinks. Pouring your creations is a breeze with the Easy Pour jar. Enjoy a quick, clean pour without any messy lid adjustments. This set includes everything you need to get started, like a generous 36-ounce pitcher and a convenient no-brainer measuring cup. What we like. This versatile beverage maker offers dual modes for ultimate control over your frozen drinks. Its no-brainer mixer ensures precise measurements every time. If you're looking for a user-friendly machine that takes the guesswork out of making delicious frozen beverages, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This pitcher is a perfect fit for the Margaritaville machine. It is made of sturdy plastic and feels durable. The lid seals tightly, preventing spills. Number 3. Margaritaville Tahiti Margarita Machine 24-ounce Ivory. Introducing the Margaritaville Tahiti Margarita Machine. This powerful appliance makes it easy to create delicious frozen drinks at home. With 3 24-ounce blending jars, it can produce up to 72 ounces of frozen beverages in a single cycle. Perfect for parties or a relaxing evening. Explore a world of flavors. It's capable of making over 6 different types of drinks, from margaritas and daiquiris to smoothies and more. Watch the magic happen with its rotating ice chute, adding a touch of spectacle to your drink-making experience. Crafted with premium bamboo wood, brushed aluminum, and polished stainless steel accents, this machine is built to last and look stunning in any setting. Boasting 700 watts of combined blending and shaving power, it effortlessly handles ice and ingredients for perfectly smooth frozen drinks every time. What we like. This machine features 3 blending jars, allowing you to create a large batch of up to 72 ounces of frozen drinks. It's capable of making over 6 different types of drinks, from margaritas to smoothies. If you enjoy variety and want to cater to different tastes at your gatherings, this is the perfect option. What people say. This pitcher is a perfect fit for the Margaritaville machine. It is a great replacement pitcher and works just like the original. The pitcher is made of durable plastic and has a good capacity for making multiple drinks. Number 2. Brita Elite Water Filter Replacements. Enjoy cleaner, great-tasting water right from your pitcher or dispenser. It's a simple way to reduce waste and save money compared to bottled water. These filters are designed to remove 99% of lead, along with chlorine, mercury, and other harmful substances. They significantly outperform standard filters in contaminant reduction. Experience exceptional longevity with our filters. They last 3 times longer than PER filters and 6 times longer than zero water filters, meaning you only need to replace them twice a year. Getting cleaner water is effortless. Simply insert the filter into your Brita pitcher or dispenser. No pre-soaking is required for a quick and simple setup. Made without BPA, these blue filters feature a convenient pull-top cap for easy removal. Enjoy hassle-free filter changes and great-tasting water. Make a sustainable choice for your home. By using these replacements, you can help eliminate the need for thousands of single-use plastic bottles each year. What we like. These filters are designed to significantly improve your water quality, reducing 99% of lead and many other contaminants. They also last an impressive 6 months, meaning fewer replacements. If you're concerned about water purity and want a long-lasting, effective filtration solution for your pitcher or dispenser, these are ideal. What people say. The pitcher fits perfectly and works just like the original. It's a great replacement pitcher that keeps drinks cold for hours. The design is sleek and it's easy to clean. Number 1. Margaritaville AD3200 36-ounce jar. Introducing the Margaritaville AD3200, the perfect replacement jar for your DM0500 series blender. It's designed to fit seamlessly and restore your blender's functionality. With a large 36-ounce capacity, you can easily blend family-sized batches of your favorite drinks and smoothies. Make more and enjoy longer. Crafted from high-quality, shatterproof plastic, this jar is built to last. Say goodbye to worries about accidental drops or impacts. The included jar lid provides a secure seal, preventing any leaks or spills during operation. Enjoy a clean and mess-free blending experience every time. Its wide base is engineered for superior stability, ensuring it stays put on your countertop. Blend with confidence, knowing it's designed for safety and reliability. What we like. This is a durable, shatterproof plastic jar designed for specific Margaritaville blender series. It offers a generous 36-ounce capacity and a stable base for safe operation. If your original jar is damaged or you need a reliable replacement for your compatible Margaritaville machine, this is the perfect fit. What people say. The pitcher is a perfect fit for the Margaritaville machine. It is a direct replacement and works just like the original. The pitcher is made of durable plastic and feels sturdy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.